Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Val and welcome to the update on 1 inch. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on a 1 inch broke out another down channel on the daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame, then this was the channel that I was showing you. And after the breakout, you can see that we had a nice pump. And by the way, the technical target for this breakout that I was telling you was here at the top of the channel at 70 cents, and you can see that the price then ran it up to 63.28 cents, went very close to hit that target, but again dropped down. And now if I extend this resistance of the channel, then you can see that it has retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and also tested this very long-term support zone that starts from 22 2 cents and goes to 20 cents. You can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it is working at a very, very strong support. Let me just show you on the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that back in the month of August 2023, it was also working at a very strong support. And therefore, again, it worked at a very, very strong support zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive and huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup, a move, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 16th of January 2025 in the members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of 1 inch. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it has been moving inside this channel since after the month of Feb 2024. We had a bounce here, rejection, so many rejections here. Then we had another bounce here, rejection here. And we had so many touch points here at the support. Then we had another bounce. And after a small rejection, finally the price and broke out the resistance. Then we had a nice pump. The technical target was here at 70 cents at the top of the channel. And you can see that the price then went very close to that target, but again dropped down. And now recently we have retested the previous resistance of the channel as support, along with this very strong and long-term support zone. That starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. You can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it has been breaking out a very, very strong support. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that back in the month of August 2023, it was also working as a very, very strong support zone. And this was, by the way, also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. Now we need to break out the next upcoming resistance of 35 cents. That is also a quite long term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that 35 cents has been previously working at a very, very strong support here for several weeks, a month. And before that, it was also working at it support here as well. Therefore, this time, if the price and reaches there, then again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of 1 inch token. Now, let's take a look at the targets. Then target for the breakout from this smaller down channel is still here at the top of the channel at 70 cents. And after a successful retest, if the price and starts another price reversal from here, then soon we may hit that target. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.